So this is the learning intention, your Wally, the thing that you're going to have to solve for algebraic equations. They're going to be two sorts. One, when they give you the pronumeral. Two, when you have to figure out what the pronumeral is worth. So there's two success criteria in here that are going to help you. You need to know what a pronumeral is, and you need to know what the mathematical process is that they are asking you to do. One of the last things in here is knowing bedmaths. Or in the old days we called it order of operations. So how mathematicians do things in order. So, pronumeral. A pronumeral is a letter of the alphabet that stands in for a missing number or tells you what the missing number is. The mathematical process is what we've been doing between x1 and x3. So those are all the words like sum, product, quotient, increase, more than, and to the power. The order of operations as it stands is you do things in the bracket first, exponent second, then the division and the multiplication, and then the addition and subtraction. So it sounds really scary, but starts off nice and slow. So it's going to say n minus 6, and then down here it's going to say n equals 13. So the computer wants you to put 13 in there. 13 minus 6 equals 7. It might give you two pronumerals. It might say that n is 4 and c is 9. And it might go c n. What that it wants you to do is 9 times 4 is 36. The other thing it's going to do is it's going to go n minus 9 equals 3. So you have to tell the computer what n equals. What's n worth? So I had n cars. I crashed 9 of them. You've all seen me drive. And I had 3 left. So how many did I have to start with? Was 12. So this type of question, they're giving you the pronumeral. This type of question, they want you to know what the pronumeral is. So this question here, c plus 4 divided by 16 equals 1. You have to do your bed math first. So something plus 4 is what's being done first, divided by 16 is what's being done last, your order of operations. So in a previous video called Solving for X, you would know that in order to figure out what c was worth, you have to start with the thing that was done last. So the thing that was done last to end up with 1 is we divided by 16. So the opposite of dividing by 16 is timesing by 16. So 1 times 16 is 16. And we've cleaned all that up. That's gone. That's gone. So now it's our brackets. Something plus 4 is 16. So our brackets no longer need to be there, because we have removed the entrapment by the nasty sorcerer of 16. So the opposite, what was done to it last, we do the opposite. So this had 4 added, so we're going to take away 4. Take away 4 would give us 12. So all we're left with is the pronumeral c being equal to 12. If we go back to the original question, which I highly recommend you do, just to check it's correct. So we've decided that c is 12. So I put 12 in here. 12 plus 4 in the brackets. The whole lot, 12 plus 4, divided by 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1.